Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
I'm sure we can all agree that one of the most lucrative ways to make money online is to start an agency business. If you're still looking for a fast and easy way to start making sales and commissions, then this is the perfect system for you. Did you know that there are hundreds, even thousands of local and online businesses that are eager to pay you a recurring fee to manage these much-needed service for them? But before I do, I wanted to let you know that it would cost you 12 months and over $10,000 to create a software that does half of what vCard Agency can do for you. Why reinvent the system when you can have our done-for-you agency solution? So for a small fingernail-sized fraction of the cost, we have done all the hard work, time, and invested thousands of dollars to bring you a ready-to-use and profit system. Introducing vCard Agency, it's the world's first-to-market breakthrough app plus training that lets you start a lucrative side hustle selling vCards to businesses in 60 seconds or less. And the best part is that this system works in any niche without fail, and no tech skills are required. With vCard Agency, you can instantly set up virtual business cards that grabs attention and interest for your own business. You can sell vCards or use it to close any deal. vCard Agency consists of several powerful modules. Number 1 is the point-and-click vCard Builder. With this feature, you can select from over 16 various easy-to-customize templates for your vCard. Number 2 is the click-to-call. With this feature, you can connect with new and existing clients who are able to simply scroll, then click to call and get connected to your business on the fly. Number 3 is the Collect Leads module. With this feature, you can collect leads such as the name, the email address, and telephone number to do client follow-ups, which helps you to close more sales. Number 4 is the QR Codes Builder module. Use QR codes to siphon new and existing clients to your business for more bookings, appointments, and services. Number 5 is the Analytics module, which allows you to get access to powerful analytics about the viewers of your vCards such as country, device, operating systems, browser, and language so you can get more results with your marketing efforts. vCard Agency works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into the app to access all the easy to customize vCard templates you can offer to local businesses. Step 2. Enter all the necessary information so you can customize the vCard to the specific business. Step 3. Hit activate and get paid for helping businesses. vCard Agency has everything you need to create a 4 to 6 figure income helping local and online businesses right out the box. You also get commercial license included to effortlessly manage all your clients and make profits. You also get complete video training to guide you every step of the way. As you can see, vCard Agency is one power-packed deal. We also went ahead and removed all the risk with our 30 days hassle-free refund guarantee. But you must hurry as the price will increase once the timer hits 0. So click that buy button now to secure vCard Agency, and we'll see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.